Hello everyone, here is a short brief on how you can use our website. Please go to www.onestopforstudents.com. Then you don't have a login ID, so you can just click on don't have an account and a beautiful looking sign up page will open for you. It says welcome to sign up page. All you have to do is just fill out the details and create your password. And yes, the account is for free, so you don't have to pay at all and not even give your card details. So starting with your first name, last name, your email ID, you have to retype your email ID. You have to create a password which is very strong so that none other people can get access to it. Retype your password. You just need to give, if you are male or female, a security question you can create and you can answer to the security question. So just click on register and you can see it's successfully registered. So if you want to save, you can save, otherwise you can just do never. So here you can just give your email ID and your password which you just created and log in. Yes, you have finally logged in and it says welcome and your first name and last name. So this is our home page and you can just see a scroll up to our website. However, just to let you know, we have 3 sections in our website, that is handy tools, inventory and games. We have just divided each sections into its similar functionalities, and this is our contact us page and we are a team of 3 people. Here you can see our CSS, so that is called a navigation. So what we have done is it's a home page, about us, handy tools, inventory, games, contact us and log out. So each has its functionalities. So if you go to about us, you can see about our company or let's say our website. When you go to handy tools, you can see 4 functions, out of which first one is code generator. You might be thinking why it's loading it slow. It's just because of our internet connection, and if you have a good internet connection, it will not take time for sure. You can just check it out directly by visiting our website. So here now you can see our very first code, and this is for the handy tools code generator. So it's written there is not one big something. So when you go, if you don't like the code, you can just always do new code. I know it's not gonna take this much time just because of our internet connection, and I'm so sorry for this. You can see the new code and you like the code, you can just click on the button there which looks like Twitter, so it can directly be shared to Twitter account. So we have already signed into our account, that is why we can post it directly. So you can see same code has been posted back to Twitter account. The next one we have is calculator. We have addition, subtraction, multiplication and division here. You can see our manual to how to use it, or also this video will be explaining it clearly. Here we have our paint section, so you can use all our functions. You can change your colors, you can change the size of the brush, you can have an eraser, you can save it to the device, you can download it as a JPEG file, or you can delete it as well. So if you want to retrieve, you can again click on the button and it will be retrieved, and that actually shows what you are using. So it's written brush, that means you're using a brush, and we have just changed its color to gray, which was purple before. Hello. So we just want to download, so you can just see that it's changed, it's canvas loaded and canvas saved. So you can see down it's written paintexample.jpeg, so you can just open that and you can see our diagram which we just created, or you can use the eraser function as well. Now let's go to note keeper. This section is actually very important, and we actually had a plan for different sections. However, we're brought up with this section which we think is more useful. So first you have to just type in the title of the page you like and write the details there. So you can see we have just written hello as a page title and hi, how are you as the text. So you can just click on the download button and your notepad is downloaded. You can also change the size of the text so that you can see it more advanced. You can change its structure so that it can go to left, right, or center. And if you want to delete, it will just ask you a question, yes or no, and you can say yes just if you want to delete it. The next one, let's go, is to inventory. So first we have is Kanban board. In Kanban board we have kept a backlog, in progress, complete, and on hold, which you can always make a change as per your schedule. And next we have is bookmark. So we need to add a bookmark. Just type in the name like you want to remember and a URL. So once you save, you can see that is linked there, and if you want to open, just click on the button and you are redirected to the website. Now you can go back and let's go to our third section, which is games. So we have 3 games. Let's start with Math Sprint game first. So Math Sprint game gives you the best score. So first let's start with 10 questions, and it starts with this blue button, shows you in which question you are in. So you just need to do is answer the question, if it's wrong, right, or whatever. So you keep going on and answer the question. So the first question is right, second is wrong, again it's wrong or right. So you just go that way and click on the button. So it's like how fast you can solve the equations. So you have to answer the question right, and once you are done with the 10 questions, it will show you total time you took was 17.7 seconds, where your penalty is 0 because none of the answers were wrong. But if you had answers wrong, it would give you the penalty points. The next one is Pong. This is, you can see the scoreboard at the side. The down one is the user version and the upper one is a computer version. Next one we have is Spock Rock game. You can just click on whichever you want, like rock, paper, scissors, lizard, Spock. So it's a tie, you lost, and when you win you get a nice confetti all over. Just want to say that, yeah. So see, when you win, it's like a celebration. So the next one is Contact Us. We're team member of 3, Sushant, Afia, and Simran. So if you want to contact us and have any questions, you can always contact on the given email ID or contact number. So once you log out, you're back to that. And when you think next time you forgot your password, you can just click on lost your password, and it will ask you for your email ID for the verification purpose. Once you submit, it's not enough because you need to answer your security question, that was hello, and answer was there. So now it's time for you to change your password. You can create a new password and make sure you remember this time. Just kidding, you can always change your password. So password updated, please log in with new password. So you can now log in with the new password you have, and you'll be successfully directed to our website. Thank you so much and have a good time.